just received a order. Not that I haven't been receiving orders, like I just want to update you guys on how Depop is going for me, you know? Show my journey. I didn't even say hi, hello, welcome back. Yeah, so basically in this video, since the last Depop video I did was not good, I'm gonna show you guys my Depop process. So as you can see, these two things just sold as a bundle, and I'm having a sale, a 15% off sale right now, off everything besides like the bags and stuff that I'm selling. So we're about to package these two things up. Hopefully they fit in my poly mailers. My desk was kind of a mess, so they ordered the Nike windbreaker and the Mickey Mouse overalls dress. So I'm gonna fold these nicely somehow. And then I take the poly mailer, pack it in here. Sometimes if it's too thick, then I have to fold it again. And this. Oh. This is a thick one. In conclusion, I need to get bigger poly mailers. And then after I put not everything, but after I put the clothes in the poly mailer, I usually take paper and then I fold it into like a little folder for me to put the note and the candy in. See, it's not the best, but I feel that handcrafted things will be appreciated as well. Then I write my little note, purple and gray. Let's go to this person's purchase. So I just finished writing the little letter, the thank you, and I include candy. And I also ordered Sanrio Club stickers. So those are at my mother's. I get scared to give people the ginger or just like any candy in general because like I don't know if somebody's allergic to something. So I usually like to include a little list of what candies they have. Ooh, this is gonna be a hefty order. Then I usually put it in here. I definitely need to get bigger poly mailers. And then I weigh it. This is gonna be a big one. Ooh, a pound. So that is basically 2 pounds because you have to round up. You never round down. Ooh, why did we just go up again? So since this is a thick package, it's 1 pound, 7 ounces. I have to ship this with priority mail service instead of, what's the other one that I would ship with? Sorry, that's the label printing out now. So I'm quite loud today. So that means, you know, that's $10. Which is crazy, but it's what happens when you have some heavy items. Make sure everything's in there. Yes. I mean, why would anything hop out? I am this part is like, very like, to me. Because I like to have it nice, but I never do it nice. So then we always put tape on it because I always mess it up. And we should put tape here. Yeah. Now this is ready to go. So now I'm gonna go to the post office. Rain check. I'm not going to the post office today because it closes at 5 and it's currently 4 and my car will not start. So probably gonna go to the post office tomorrow. So sorry person, but your package is not gonna be shipped till tomorrow. But I did put a notification that shipping will be delayed. So yeah, successful I think. So not really, but yeah.